What if you could invest and learn about money, all at the same time? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, Acorns is an app that's been making waves for its simple approach to investing. But what a lot of people don't realize is that it's also a powerful tool for financial education. It's like having a personal finance coach in your pocket, and it goes way beyond just helping you invest your spare change. Acorns has built a whole educational hub right into the app. They call it Acorns Grow, and it's a goldmine of information designed to help you become financially savvy. Forget dry, boring textbooks. This is about making financial literacy accessible, engaging, and relevant to your life. They've broken down complex topics into bite-sized articles, videos, and quizzes. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to deepen your knowledge, there's something for you. Want to understand the difference between a Roth and a traditional IRA? There's a short video for that. Curious about how compound interest actually works? They have a clear, simple article that explains it. They even have content on things like paying off debt, building an emergency fund, and understanding inflation. The content is tailored to your stage in life, so whether you're a student, a young professional, or a parent, you're getting information that you can actually use. But the real magic is how it connects directly to your investing. As you learn, you can immediately apply that knowledge within the app. You're not just reading about investing, you're doing it. You see your money grow, you understand why it's growing, and you feel more confident about your financial decisions. That's the key. It turns abstract financial concepts into tangible, real-world experience. Acorns is teaching people that you don't need to be a Wall Street expert to take control of your financial future. You just need to start. And they give you all the tools and knowledge you need to do just that, right inside the app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.